guys, how are you doing today? It's been a long time. I haven't been very busy, so I couldn't upload as regularly as before. But I am trying my best. Anyway, I just saw a trailer for the live action for Aladdin coming out next year, so I thought that I will teach you one of the songs from that movie. Of course, A Whole New World, very famous song, so let's get to it. So as always, we'll have fingerings right there. Make sure that when you play this song, the bow is ever flowing. Yeah. So make sure the arm is nice and loose. Yeah. So this the sound it's gonna make if your arm is tight. It doesn't sound so good. So make sure that bow is going in straight fashion and with rather speed and gliding. Alrighty? Okay, let's get to it. First line, 2, 1, 3. And fade. I would probably slur all of that. 2, 1, 3, 2, 0. Yeah? Okay, always fade the phrases. Second line, it's gonna go 1, low 1. Yeah, did you guys see that? Yeah, after you play the low 1, don't stay there. Come right back to the first position. So take that off and then reach for the 2. And then reach out for the 3. Alright. Third line. Fade. Okay, once again it's 1 low 1 2. Then when you play the 1, you're gonna reach out for the high 3. High 3. Then A Whole New World. Fade. Fade. Now here comes the triplet. 2, 3, 0. Little break there. Okay, nothing really difficult there. I think this is where Jasmine comes in. Again, 2, 3, 0, triplet. Did you guys see how I prepare the 3 while I play the 0? So stretch out for the 3. Try to end up on a down bow so you can fade better. Everything is written there, so just follow along. Watch out for the high 3 on the G string and the low 1 on the D string when it occurs. And then we're gonna have a little key change. So let's go to second page. Key change. You're gonna have B flat, which means we're gonna have B, B flat, low 1 on the A string. Yeah, here we go. Slur these, measure. Let's try that again. Low 1, low 2, and then 3. Yeah, one more time. Fade. Now here comes F sharp, so put the number 3 and the 2 together. Wrote 0, you can do 0 there. Or you can do 3 2 4 2 3 2 4 3 1. Yeah. Okay, let's go to second line. 3 low 2. Since we don't have F sharp, we're gonna have low 2. One more time, second line. Then watch out for the low 1. Make sure it is all the way down. Whenever you have low 1 going to 3, make sure the 3 doesn't get dragged down. Yeah. Okay, so low 2 3. That might be tricky, so practice that. Triplet 0 low 2 0 low 1 low 2. Make sure you use a 4. Then it's right next door. Reach for the 4. Yeah, and then Aladdin comes back. Triplet. Reach out for the 4. Now, why did I use the 0 there instead of the 4? Because we are going to the E string. Yeah, that is easier than. That's a little difficult, right? You're going from 4 to low 1, so don't do that. So let's go to what is that? 1 2 3 4. A triplet. And then reach out for the 4. Zero. And then 2 note slur. Okay, make sure you do low 1 on the A string, but regular 1 on the D string. Fade, then fade, and then G3. Actually, no, don't do 0 there. Do 4 there. And fade. Okay, that's how you play it. If you want to get fancy, the last whole note there, instead of playing that, you can play the beginning theme, which is on the second line, second page, the first measure, like 4 times. So it's gonna go like this. Then you're gonna end on 8 low 2. What was that? I think that's my shoulder rest going out. Let's fix that. Okay, so instead of all that whole note, you can play the first measure of this page. Okay, 4 times, and then ending on this note, A low 2. I'll show you that one more time. Then A low 2. And then you fade. Actually, that was 3 times. Sorry. So you play that 3 times and then A low 2. Okay, so that's about it, I think. This one is definitely recommended for your repertoire. I should do some more Disney song. Yeah, I hope you guys like that. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, bye.